A very good morning to the galaxy of intellectuals who all are illuminating the field of education, our lovely children and their parents. Nothing remains forever. Neither the sadness remains forever, nor the happiness remains forever. This year, as we all know, was full of anxiety, uncertainty, and devastating news. Still, there is something to celebrate about. And we, Sage MR Japoria School, Goa campus, is delighted to announce our virtual ceremony of pre-graduation and Christmas celebration. Though this ceremony was about to be done in March, but we all know that the condition didn't allow us. So today we all are happy to celebrate that. And before the celebrations, I would like to welcome our chief guest, Mr. Kanak Gupta, sir, who is the director, St. M.R. Japoria Schools. So, I have read an article of yours, five key aspects of teaching innovation in 2019, in which, on one hand, you have emphasized the tools and technology, its importance. And on the other hand, you have told that nothing could replace the teachers. So, within 1 year of that article in 2020, we have seen the wonders of the blend of the teachers and technology. So, sir, thank you not only for being here, but also letting us to seek for excellence in education. Continuing the series, I would like to welcome most favorite of everybody in the family, Mrs. Beena Nair, ma'am, who is the Assistant Vice President, Sage MR Japoria Schools. Ma'am, you have always been actually like a ray of hope, a path when, we all were got puzzled and confused in this maze of new normal. And that's why you have earned the title Ma. A big virtual round of applause for you, ma'am. Welcome, ma'am. A thing of beauty is a joy forever. Whenever I read this line now onwards, since I'm knowing Tulika ma'am, this line flashes into my mind. So, welcome our senior manager, St. M.R. Japoria Schools. Ma'am, you are so motivating. We always, though you are not in the school, but we find you as if you are standing beside us. Thank you for your love and support, ma'am. He who opens a school door closes a prison door. With this quotation, I would like to welcome our Honorable Chairman, sir, Mr. Mahesh Goel, sir, Chairman, Goel Groups of Institutions. So, I have seen everybody being so pessimistic in this COVID situation, sir was so optimistic. And he was talking about offline schools and practicals. I was amazed that day. And line of Abdul respected our APJ Abdul Kalam came into my mind that every bird seeks shelter when it rains. It is the only eagle who fly above the clouds and avoids the rain. And sir's vision is the same. Welcome, sir, for your love, your support. And another thing, the way you are taking care of, assuring security, safety measures, precautions taken in the school, sanitization in the school. Every teacher and every student and all the parents are really happy, sir, with that. Thank you, sir. And then when it comes to welcome our respected principal, ma'am, I really get short of words. She is imprint of intellectuals, she is generosity personified. She is so motivating. She is so encouraging that every child and every student can do miracles. She has received Best Principals Award, but the reward she is getting in form of love and respect is incredible. So welcome, ma'am, and thanks for everything. Asatoma sadgamya Mrityorma Amritam Gamya, Tamsoma Jyotirgamya. With this slok, I would like to request all the dignitaries here to be a part of our virtual lamp ceremony. That was really wonderful. ईश्वर को आखिरी उम्मीद नहीं, पहला भरोसा बनाइए. So, before beginning, we all should pray Lord Ganesha. Vakratunda Mahakaya, Suryakoti Samaprabha, Nirvignam Kurumi Deva, Sarvakarishu Sarvada. और गणेश स्तुति के लिए नृत्य प्रस्तुत करने आ रही हैं हमारी बहुत ही प्यारी छात्रा काव्या गुप्ता. That was wonderful, Kavya. So, with the blessings of Lord Ganesha, let's begin our program. What else could be better than music to welcome anybody? Even we welcome gods with prayers and shlokas and mantras, azans. So, here, our toddlers of class 1 and 2 are there to present a welcome song.
You'll be happy, we do pray. Welcome, welcome you. We are here and so are you. We'll make it and say it. You'll be happy, we do pray. Welcome, welcome to all of you. Welcome, welcome, welcome you with smile. Welcome, welcome you with good wishes. Welcome, welcome, so that you may shine, so that you may shine, so that you may shine.
Such a sweet gesture. It is enough to make anybody's day. Before we begin our pre-graduation ceremony, I just want to thank the parents. आसान नहीं होता है अपने बच्चे को पहली बार खुद से अलग करना स्कूल भेजते वक्त। उसके पहले वो अपनी माँ के साथ बहुत ही कंफर्ट ज़ोन में अपने परिवार के साथ पल रहा होता है। पेरेंट्स को बहुत एंग्ज़ायटी होती है कि हम जहाँ भेज रहे हैं हमारा बच्चा पता नहीं खाना खाएगा, नहीं खाएगा, पता नहीं ये अपनी बातें कह पाएगा नहीं या नहीं कह पाएगा टीचर से, और बहुत सारे सवाल होते हैं। और थैंक यू पेरेंट्स कि आपने हमारे विद्यालय में, हमारे स्कूल में अपना जो विश्वास है वो निहित किया। और आज जब प्री ग्रेजुएशन सेरेमनी है, आई एम वेरी श्योर कि आवर टीचर्स आर एक्चुअली facing the anxiety of separation, but they are very happy to celebrate this day, because everybody, after parents, it's the only teachers who gets very happy for success of their students. So here goes the slide of UKGA for pre-graduates. So please. Vedant Pandey, Vanshika Singh. One wants to be a judge, another wants to be a doctor. Vinayak Singh, Kirti Yadav, and Faiza. It's good. Vinayak wants to become a cricketer. Ritik Dubey again, a cricketer. Medansh Khandelwal. He wants to fly a plane and want to become a pilot. May God bless you, children. Mohammad Ashu, again, a cricket fan. Abhyuday Pratap Singh, want to become a police officer. Abhinav Singh, who wants to be a doctor. Kushank Rai, Sneha Chaudhary, Divyanshi Singh. One wants to be a cricketer, one wants to be a doctor, and another an AIS officer and wants to serve the country. Pratyush Srivastava, Adya Gupta, Varchaswa Pandey, IPS officer. The dreams are high. May God bless you, children. So congratulations, parents, teachers, and students. पापा घर में रहो, बाहर कोरोना है, सब मिलके साथ रहेंगे, किसी को नहीं खोना है. When the whole world was maintaining social distance in the lockdown, few superheroes were performing their social responsibilities. क्या कोई भी प्रोग्राम उनको सैल्यूट किए बिना, उनका आभार व्यक्त किए बिना पूरा हो सकता है? इसीलिए हमारे विद्यालय ने, in our school, has decided to thank them, and for thanking them we have got our students, those who were since inception of the school and who are going to appear in the board exams this year, and it would be our first board. So let's bless our 12th and welcome them to thank you, the Corona Warriors. Welcome, students. First of all, I would like to call Aditi Yadav. This is a from class 12 to management.
Good afternoon, Kanak. Dear students, parents. This is Aditi Yadav from class 9. I'm going to express my views on coronavirus. Thank you to all the teachers above beyond this time of pandemic. Thank you for your flexible thinking. To all the teachers, from hand holding to screen sharing, from chalk to chat, from real to virtual, from offline to online, from keeping quiet to speak up, from no mobile to turn your mobile, from conventional to technical. The journey was difficult, but you did not fail. Thank you. And I wish you a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Now here is Ayush Mishra with us.
A very good afternoon to Kanak sir, Beena ma'am, Tulika ma'am, MD sir, principal ma'am, dear students and respected teachers. This is Ayush expressing a short tribute for our Corona warriors. Schools closed, offices closed, malls closed, flights grounded, and economy went down. People were scared to look at each other and forgot touching. But banks were still open even on the gusted holidays. I salute all the bankers for their services to humanity. Their dedication and courage deserve our deepest gratitude and admiration. All the Corona warriors have been an indispensable pillar in helping us and protecting us against the vicious outbreak of such a deadly threat of COVID 19 and rebuilding the country to what it was. Therefore, I wholeheartedly salute to all of them. At last, I would like to wish a very happy, safe, and a Merry Christmas and a very Happy New Year. Thank you.
Now it's a turn of Aman. Please, Aman.
A very good afternoon to Kanak sir, Beena ma'am, Tulika ma'am, MD sir, principal ma'am, and dear students and respected parents. This is Aman Shukla. I'm here to express few lines for Corona warriors. Thank you to all the policemen. While all of us had the luxury to be house rested, and you were being all out day and night, your intelligence, bravery, compassion was saving the grace of the nation during the dark episode. Therefore, I salute you. I salute all of them by bottom of my heart. Therefore, and I wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Thank you.
Now we have Arundhati with us. Arundhati Pathak.
A warm good afternoon to Kanak sir, Beena ma'am, Tulika ma'am, MD sir, principal ma'am, students and respected parents. This is Arundhati Pathak to pay tribute to all the Corona warriors. Dear healthcare heroes, doctors and nurses, thank you from the bottom of our hearts for serving on the front line of the pandemic. Most of the people don't work in a setting where they are exposed to risks and dangers the way you were. Thank you for your unwavering commitment and courage. Thank you for your heart and soul for the war against COVID 19. Your services saved countless lives and made thousands of differences. At last, I would wish the whole world a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year in advance.
Thank you, children. Now it's the turn of section B of class UKG for their pre-graduation ceremony. Please, sir. Arohi Komati, who wants to become a chef. Abhikriti Tiwari wants to become an army officer. Muhammad Akib, who wants to become an engineer. May God bless you, children. Arna Verma wants to become a pilot. Anaisha, who wants to become a doctor. Geet Srivastava wants to become a judge. May God bless you, children. You may all achieve whatever you wish. Ishita Mahindra, she wants to become a doctor. Ishita Tripathi, same name and same dream. She also wants to become a doctor. Kanak Sharma, who wants to become a dancer. Looking at the COVID situation, really we need more and more doctors. Mansirat Kaur wants to become a teacher. She must be inspired with her teacher because they used to copy them. Manya Mishra wants to become a doctor. And another girl who wants to become a teacher, Palak Pal. May God bless you, girls. Syed Kunut Ravish want to shine like a star. Satakshi Chaudhary wants to become a doctor. Shalvi Pandey, who wants to become a teacher. Congratulations to the parents. And the teachers. What we say generally differs from what we do. But here the teachers not only inspire the students to practice for their programs, to make the videos, they themselves were also enthusiastic to present a dance, a performance of them. So please welcome parents and everybody. Here is the slide. Yeah, here's the video. Mesmerizing. And the efforts they have put, costumes and dance and gestures, that was wonderful. The fairies with masks over their faces. So we have now, as the angels have already appeared, let's celebrate the birth of Son of God. So here the students of class 9th are going to present nativity plays. So please, may we have the video?
The birth of Lord Jesus Christ happened about 2,000 years ago in the city of David in Bethlehem. This nativity play talks about the birth of Jesus. Now, in the city of David, Mary, a virgin, was sitting, and as she was sitting, an angel of the Lord appeared to her and said, Mary, you have found favor with God. You don't have to fear. This Lord will overshadow you, and you will give birth to a son. She said, how can this be, since I'm a virgin? The angel said, the power of the Lord will come upon you, and you will give birth to a son, and he will be called Emmanuel. The angel left, and Mary pondered in her heart. And it came to pass in those days that there went out a decree from Caesar Augustus that all the world should be taxed, and all went to be taxed, every one into his own city. And Joseph also went up from Galilee, out of the city of Nazareth into Judea, unto the city of David, which is called Bethlehem, because he was of the house and lineage of David, to be taxed with Mary, his espoused wife, being great with child. And so it was, while they were there, the days were accomplished that she should be delivered. And she brought forth her firstborn son, and wrapped him in swaddling, and laid him in a manger, because there was no room for them in the inn. There were shepherds in the same country, staying in the field, and keeping watch by night over their flock. And look, an angel of the Lord stood by them, and the glory of the Lord shone around them, and they were terrified. The angel said to them, do not be afraid, for see, I bring you good news of great joy, which will be to all the people. For there is born to you this day in the city of David a Savior, who is the Messiah, the Lord. This is the sign to you: you'll find a baby wrapped in strips of cloth, lying in a feeding trough. Suddenly there was with the angel a multitude of the heavenly host praising God and saying, Glory to God in the highest, and on earth peace, goodwill toward humankind.
The shepherds watch their flocks by night, all seated.
The shepherds came with haste and found both Mary and Joseph, and the baby Jesus was lying in the manger. When they saw, they bowed down before the Lord Jesus and praised God for all the wonderful things that God has done. Now, when Jesus was born in Bethlehem of Judea in the days of Herod the king, behold, there came wise men from the east to Jerusalem. They addressed King Herod, saying,
Where is he that is born King of the Jews? For we have seen his star in the east and are come to worship him?
And Herod sent them to Bethlehem and said, Go and search diligently for the young child. And when ye have found him, bring me word again, that I may come and worship him also.
Let's go and find the king. We will bring him these valuable gifts to show our respect and love.
Crown him again, King forever, ceasing never over us all to reign. Oh, star of wonder, star of night, star with royal beauty bright, westward leading, still proceeding, guide us to thy perfect light. Frankincense to offer have I, incense owns a deity nigh, prayer and praising voices raising, worship him God most high. Oh, star of wonder, star of night, star with royal beauty bright.
More than 2,000 years ago, God sent Jesus Christ to be our Savior. Jesus Christ was born to save us from our sins. Born so we can be born again and return to live with God someday. Let us rejoice greatly this Christmas season, for unto all of us a Savior is born. Merry Christmas and a very, very Happy New Year.
Oh, star of wonder, star of night.
Well done, children. I was so lost in the play that I have forgotten to unmute myself. Yeah. Very well played, children. And now it's the time for section C of class UKG for pre-graduation list. So please play the slides. It's really a moment much awaited by the parents. Yeah. So here goes the name: Aditya Pratap Singh, Anshika Singh, and Aradhya Maurya. One wants to become a scientist, other wants to become a doctor, and the other wants to become a DM. May God bless you, children. Ayush Chandra Maurya, Aryan Yadav, and Harsh. Mirza Daniel, Muhammad Ayaz Khan, Naman Shri. Naman wants to become a cricketer, Ayaz wants to become an astronomer, Pratishtha wants to become an AIS officer, Rafan Ubaid, who wants to be a doctor, and Shagun Yadav also wants to become a doctor. And as I've already told, really we need more doctors looking at the situation of the earth, the environment, and everything. Syed Arib Ahmed, Tejas Singh, and Veera wants to become a doctor. Syed Arib, Tejas wants to become a scientist. Virat Pal and Yuvraj Rawat. One wants to become a doctor and the other two. Congratulations, children. So, as the graduation ceremony, pre-graduation ceremony is already over, we would like to hear from our dignitaries. Before I request our chief guest to say a few words and address the audience, I want to congratulate him on behalf of Jaipuria Goel Campus family. He has been awarded as for Education Excellence in Indian Achievers Award 2020. Congratulations, sir. And here he is with us to address the audience.
Good afternoon. Respected Mahesh ji, members of the management, principal of the school, Dr. Reena Pathak ji, teachers, members of the staff, members of media, dear students and dear parents. Namaskar. First of all, I hope you're all keeping healthy and fine. I think it's most important in these times that हम अपने स्वास्थ्य का सबसे ज़्यादा ध्यान रखें, and I really hope that you're doing fine. It's a great honor and privilege for me to be a part of this event, and I'm joining you virtually, and I'm so delighted that the batch of UKG students will be going to the next year and to the next sort of padhav of their lives. So many congratulations to all the students and all the parents who have worked very hard and have gotten here. This has been a great journey for us, and I think this has been a landmark year. It's a landmark year for all the students because they'll be entering a new session as well. But 2020 particularly has been a landmark year. We've learned so much, we've understood so much, we've understood the value of human emotion, of connectivity, of being nice to each other, because the pandemic has truly shown us that the life can come to a standstill if need be, but relationships should go on. I think that's a very important learning for us. हमारे लिए जयपुरिया के सारे बच्चे बहुत ज़्यादा महत्वपूर्ण हैं. आज 70 साल से जयपुरिया एजुकेशन में हैं. हम लोग 34 स्कूल चला रहे हैं और करीब 4 मैनेजमेंट इंस्टीट्यूट्स भी चला रहे हैं. 30,000 से ज़्यादा बच्चे हमारे साथ एसोसिएटेड हैं. सो सबसे पहले तो मैं धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूँ हर पेरेंट का, हर टीचर का, हर स्टूडेंट का जिसने जयपुरिया को अपना चॉइस बनाया. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ऑल योर हेल्प एंड ऑल योर सपोर्ट. मैं आप लोगों को ये आश्वासन देना चाहता हूँ कि आवर फोकस ऑलवेज रिमेन्स दैट द चाइल्ड इज एट द सेंटर ऑफ द टीचिंग लर्निंग प्रोसेस. हमारे लिए शिक्षा प्रणाली में सबसे ज़्यादा महत्वपूर्ण बच्चा है, और हम हमेशा कोशिश करते हैं कि हमारी रिसर्च के थ्रू और हमारे अलग अलग ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम्स के थ्रू बच्चों को हाई क्वालिटी एजुकेशन प्रोवाइड हो. इसके लिए हम बहुत सारे एफर्ट्स कर रहे हैं. करीब 1,00,000 पेजेस के हमने लेसन प्लान्स बनाए हैं. 70 और इंटीग्रेटेड टेक्स्ट बुक्स हैं. टीचर्स के ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम्स होते रहते हैं जो देश विदेश के काफ़ी अच्छे ट्रेनर्स, एजुकेटर्स के साथ हम लोग ऑर्गेनाइज करवाते हैं. More importantly for us, it's the association that the child, the pride that the child has with Jaipuria, which is very important because there's a legacy of many years. Ultimately, the commitment that we are giving to your children is of the highest order, especially for the pre-primary levels. For the simple reason that we believe that the 12, 13, 14 years that a child will spend with us at our schools will shape, make and break, not break, but make and shape the child for what they can truly be, the achievements that they can truly have in whichever field they want. And that's why we strongly believe that holistic development of children is very important. I also want to take a moment and appreciate, recognize and thank Mahesh Goyal ji for his unending support to the Jaipuria group at all times. Mahesh ji has created a landmark of sorts at Lucknow, which is now attracting attention from all over the country for the kind of work that is being done. I also appreciate and acknowledge the work being done by the principal, Dr. Reena Pathak ji, who has relentlessly been attached with each and every child, trying to provide the best that is there to each child and speak to every parent as well, be it for academics, be it for co-curricular. St. M.R. Jaipuria School, Goyal campus in Lucknow has become a landmark of sorts, and the board results are a testament. The CBSE board recognition came, and we are very happy and very excited about the work that our students are doing, and hopefully with the new education policy coming in, we'll be able to offer more opportunities to students for choice of subjects. Lastly but not the least, I want to thank the parents who've been associated with us. Thank you so much. It is you who have made this journey possible. It is you who have always given us feedback, encouraged us. During the pandemic time, the parents have truly shown that Parents and the school are partners in the teaching learning process. You've done it, you've made it happen, and I'm very, very thankful for your support. Please keep helping us, please keep supporting us, and please keep sharing your feedback because वो हमारे लिए बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. Also, I'd like to thank the media who have time and again been of support and guidance to us. It is the feedback that comes to us via media, through forums. We do a lot of webinars, seminars, and we get to hear the voice of parents, the common public, through media sources. So I'd like to thank the media as well. Uh, Once again, congratulations to the graduating class. I am confident that they will do well and they will continue doing well with St. M.R. Jaipuria School Goel campus in Lucknow. And hopefully, I'll see you everyone face to face very, very soon. Pandemic is hopefully with the coming of the vaccination, things would get a little better. As the Honorable Prime Minister says that till the vaccination and medicine comes, हमें ढिलाई नहीं देनी है, हमें पूरी सावधानी बरतनी है. So please आप लोग सावधानी बरतिए और सेलिब्रेट करिए, जुड़े रहिए स्कूल के साथ और पढ़ाई करें और मेहनत करें और मुझे कॉन्फिडेंस है that सारे बच्चे वो अचीव कर पाएंगे जो वो सही में चाहते हैं. Thank you so much. I also take the opportunity to wish you a Merry Christmas and season's greetings for a very happy New Year. Take care. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you, sir,
for your wishes.
Now, the much
Much
awaited
awaited dignitary,
respected
respected
Veena
Veena
ma'am,
ma'am,
and
and
everybody who
everybody
is eager to listen from her.
to listen from her.
सारे पेरेंट्स बच्चे
सारे पेरेंट्स
everybody is
बच्चे
waiting कि
everybody
वीना
is
मैम कब
waiting कि
बोलेंगी.
वीना मैम कब
Please,
बोलेंगी.
ma'am, bless everybody.
Please, ma'am,
Welcome.
bless everybody.
Thank you so much for that kind introduction, Rita. Very good evening to Maheshi, Principal Reena Pathak, all the students, parents, and my dear teachers. It is my privilege and honor to be part of such wonderful program, a pre-graduation ceremony of UKG children going to senior school. It's a very, very important milestone for any student to graduate from a pre-primary class to class 1. And for me especially, this is an honor because I'm always have a soft corner for pre-primary students. Because like what Kanakji said, the pre-primary children are going to be with us for a longer duration. Before I talk anything about the program today, first of all, let me just bless all the children who have pre-graduated today and let all your dreams come true. Because I was very happy to see the way the children are dreaming, aspiring to become doctors, lawyers, police officer, IAS, engineer, teachers, and so many. And in one caption, I also saw, I want to become a proud son of my parents. You know, in Jaipuria, we always believe in making the children a conscious and valuable citizen, a good human being. So we have created the curriculum specially for pre-primary to make the child aware about the surroundings, to make the child a good human being. So if the children are conscious about being good to others, being empathetic, being sympathetic, being polite, being trustworthy, being honest, then we have done it. So like what Kanakji said, we believe in the holistic development of children. The children should not only become a bookworm or academicians, but there should be a contributor towards the world. Their presence should be felt everywhere. So this is what I dream for all the Jaipurians in the family, that your presence should be felt in the community. Whatever job you may do, you should try to excel in that and do with good intention. And that is what Jaipuria teaches you in the school. So if I talk about, so let all your dreams come true. Let you, so dreams are something which you all, it may change over a period of time. Today you dream for something. Tomorrow when you will reach higher classes, you may aspire to become something different. That's okay, because when you grow up, you will get to see more life, and you get to know about more career. In Jaipuria system, we do have opportunity to get exposed to so many things, so that you have a plethora of things to choose from. So the pre-primary children, so like what Kanakji said, the student is the center of the entire learning process. So you will be exposed to different learning domain, and so that you can choose the best, what suits you the best. So I'm sure that Goel campus has been one of the best Jaipuria schools in the entire Jaipuria chain. And now I can proudly say that it's one of the best schools in the entire UP. So I must tell you, my dear parents, that your children are safe in our campus. And we have a very wonderful set of teachers, committed teachers, who have been tirelessly working. See, today this event also, you have seen how perfectly the event was planned, executed. And like, I'm very happy to see the video being shot in the school by the teachers, so that the students, if they are missing the school, they could see the school building and the teachers in action in the school. And the small children, they have performed from their houses. I'm sure that they're looking forward to come back to the school and feel that warmth of the teacher's presence in the classroom. But one more thing I want to mention here, Goel campus is the first campus where all the teachers became technically qualified, very, very highly qualified, and used the entire opportunity of technology to the fullest, so that the learning never stopped, be it pre-primary or class 1 to 5 or class 9th and 10th or 11th and 12th. That learning happened, and even on Sundays and holidays, the teachers and the principals worked hard. Here I must congratulate the parents also, especially of pre-primary wing, because I've been observing the classes and how supportive the parents were to ensure that the children are in front of the system, continuously learning, and whatever activity has been planned by the school, the parents have supported, so that the children could complete it. And that is how this year has given a gain for all of us. I would say that the pandemic has taught us many things, and one thing is that anything is possible if you have, where there is a will, there is a way. And Goel campus and all the entire Jaipuria school teachers had that will, that vision to perform whatever maybe the adverse situations were. We had to perform, and we wanted to connect with the students, and that happened because of your support, my dear parents. And I want to thank all the teachers, the parents, and the school management, especially the Mahesh ji, who has given a constant support for all the endeavors that Jaipuria thought of with all classes. We had several programs running, and this year has been a really, really crazy year for us. But I am very, very proud to say that we did everything online, be it focus of the month, or be it crescendo, or be it valley of the month. So that is what has been, I could see that when class 12 children gave the salutation of feeling for others, being empathetic, being that is a value that the parents must be aware of. We focus on SPICE as values, which is sustainability, possibility, integrity, collaboration, and empathy. So these 5 values are the focus this year, and I'm very happy to see that focus coming out when the children of class 12th gave the salutation of honoring the Corona warriors. So I'm very, very glad that the Jaipuria philosophy is, coming alive in the campuses. And once again, heartiest congratulations for all the students. You are in class 1 right now. You have a long way to go. Goel campus has got everything that you aspire. When you reach higher classes, you will have the laboratories, the teachers, the qualified teachers, the trainings, everything, so that whatever you have dreamt, it is going to be fulfilled in Goel campus. So thank you so much for believing in Jaipuria, believing in Goel campus, and getting associated with us. My dear parents, you are the fortunate ones to be in such a polished school, and ensuring that your child's secure, its future is secure with us. So once the students come back to the campus, I can, with 100% guarantee, I can tell you that the children will be very, very safe. We already have class 9th and above children coming, and with good attendance, we have the children attending the classes, and they are feeling all the safety measures, all the guidelines have been followed. And so you don't have to worry when the school will open. Please come back to school. The teachers and we all are waiting to see my dear students back in action in school. And I'm sure that you also are waiting to come back to school. Whenever the pandemic situation ends, that fear should be away from your mind, and we all will see you soon. Till then, the online classes will continue. Don't think that the learning has stopped. Don't think that nothing is happening. Yes, all the things are happening online right now. Everything can stop, but in Jaipuria, learning can never stop, where the student is the center of learning. And this program is one example of having an event virtually is also possible. I told you that everything is possible if we have this, progressive management, and passionate teachers, and supportive parents, and aspiring students, and all our ideas together, put together. I'm sure that everything is possible. All the very best for my dear little children. I'm dying to come back and see you in action in the school. Very soon, I'm visiting your school and be with you all. Once again, heartiest congratulations to the students, and also all the very best to the 12th standard board students. This year, my dear parents, you will also watch that class 12th will be the first board result. We are anxiously waiting, like last year for class 10th. Goel campus had a wonderful result. This year we'll have wonderful result for class 10th and 12th, because the preparation we have seen personally, how they are prepared even in pandemic. Everything is going fine, and I'm sure that we will have a wonderful result again. Once again, happy Christmas and happy New Year to all my dear parents, teachers, management, everybody, my dear students. God bless you all, and see you all very soon physically. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. As a teacher, I'm overwhelmed, and even my children are studying in the same school. So as a parent and on behalf of parents, thank you, ma'am. And at this very time, how we can afford to miss a chance without hearing Tulika ma'am. So please, ma'am, share your words of wisdom with our parents, teachers, and students with your bright smile as usual. Please, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Very kind of you. Thank you so much. And my only thought today is resilience. You know, this is how we bounce back. This is how we discover ourselves afresh. This is how we create possibilities and opportunities for ourselves. So congratulations to the school. Mahesh sir, Chairman sir, has been a pillar of support for everybody. Motivation is the key word here, and I think with management as strong as Mahesh sir has been, I don't think any one of us need to worry. Principal ma'am has been the pioneer, in fact, in technological development, not just for herself, but also for her teachers. But most of all, I think we need to, we also need to look up to the teachers, to the parents, and to the students who have been so fantastic in this 1 year. You all have been so resilient. We have accepted the new normal so easily, and we have jumped onto the bandwagon of change. We will be the yours will be the generation which will be forever talked about, who learned how we can study at home and yet be in school. So congratulations on that. Congratulations to the whole team of Goel Campus, and thank you so much for giving us the opportunity of being here with you all. I think this day, with the nativity play that you all performed, the gratitude that class 12 students have sent forward, sends out so much of hope. And Christmas is the time of new beginnings. So season greetings to all of you. A very, very happy new year and a very Merry Christmas. Stay safe, stay home. जब तक दवाई आ नहीं जाती, जब तक वैक्सीनेशन आ नहीं जाता, कनक सर said, कोई ढिलाई नहीं. Let us stay safe, let us stay home, yet be resilient. I think that is what will be the key message today. Thank you so much to the entire team of Goel Campus for giving me the opportunities. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. The love which you and Beena ma'am hold in your heart for the children, it is really visible when you both were speaking. Thank you, ma'am. When it comes to words of encouragement, who else could be better than our MD, sir? So I would request our Honorable Chairman, sir, please, sir, address the parents.
So please unmute.
Good afternoon, all dear students, parents, teachers, staff, and all dignitaries, especially Mr. Kanak Gupta, Director, Jaipuria School, Corporate Office, Mrs. Beena Nair, the Vice President, Beena Nair, the VP of Jaipuria Education, and Tulika ma'am, and all my staff and teachers. This is a very great time and tough time for us to run the school in the pandemic condition, but with all the support from the parents, students, and all my teachers, we are doing and we are successfully doing this. This pre-graduation ceremony, which was earlier planned in March 2020, has been postponed. As you know, all know that due to all of sudden pandemic, all the lockdown was there. So now, today we are celebrated pre-graduation ceremony with the all energy. I'm surprised. I'm thankful to all my teachers, staff, and the students that they, in the very short time, they have made a beautiful programs. And I hope further in future also we will celebrate big pre-graduation ceremony, as my students are waiting long this ceremony. Hopefully we will do very soon. और आप जान रहे हो जैसे कि हम लोगों ने बहुत जल्दी अपने आप को चेंज कर लिया था. I am very thankful to all my teachers that they have done very beautifully and tremendously the online examination, which was very tough and very new for us. With the corporate office, all supports we did. This is very easily. So I'm thankful to our corporate Jaipuria office also, that they have always supported us. I'm thankful to Mr. Saraj Jaipuria, Chairman Jaipuria Schools, and Vice Chairman, Mr. Srivasji. They have always supported Goel Campus. And being as a, we peoples are sixth one of Jaipuria new schools. Now they are having a very big group, more than 20,000 students they have. So I'm thankful to all corporate office persons. They always support us. And special thanks to our principal that they have made the school. I have built the school, she made the school. Thank you very much, and enjoy and be safe. Stay home till the COVID over. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. And we, the staff, is actually fortunate to have a team leader like you. अब बारी आती है, हमारे पास बहुत प्यारे प्यारे छोटे छोटे सेंटार्स हैं जो कि अपना जिंगल बेल सुनाने वाले हैं. I would request Mirza sir to please play the video.
Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go, all the way. Bells on bobtails ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight! Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh! Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh! A day or two ago, I thought I'd take a ride, and soon as standing right was seated by my side. The horse was lean and lame, his fortune seemed his lot. We got into a drifted pink, and we got upset. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh! Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh!
Very cute, very sweet, very nice children. A huge round of applause for you all, though it is virtual. Now see here who comes. Ho, 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 the Santa. Let's see what he blesses the school with us. Yeah, please. So everybody is waiting for the Santa. Okay, the Santa has come to our school.
Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way.
Blessing
Bells
our
on
school with
bobtails ring,
immunity.
making spirits bright. What fun it is to laugh and sing a sleighing song tonight. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
Let's see what's there in front of the
Jingle
Santa.
bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. A day or two
Coming to
ago,
the principal
I thought
office.
I'd take a ride, and soon Miss Fanny Bright was seated by my side. The horse was lean and lank, his fortune seemed his lot. We got into a drifted bank, and then we got upsot. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
Okay, in other hand, the Santa has got a sanitizer too.
Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. O'er the field we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtails ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to laugh and sing a sleighing song tonight. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
Now that you know the rhyme, let's sing along.
Thank you, Santa, for blessing our school with immunity, gifts, and everything. So, as Santa has come, our children are going to wish everybody a Christmas song. Please, sir. May we have the video of our students wishing everybody with the Christmas song? We wish you a Merry Christmas. The words goes this way.
Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you on your day. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Oh, bring us a piggy pudding. Oh, bring us a piggy pudding. Oh, bring us a piggy pudding and bring it right in. Good tidings we bring to you on your day. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We won't go till we get some. We won't go till we get some. We won't go till we get some. So bring it right here. Good tidings we bring to you on your day. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We all like a piggy pudding. We all like a piggy pudding. We all like a piggy pudding with all its riches. Good tidings we bring to you on your day. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Thank you, children. And same to you. Now I would like to request our Vice Principal, Mr. Sumit Arora, sir, to say some words of wisdom. Please, sir.
Good afternoon to all dignitaries present here. Kanak sir, our chairman sir, Beena ma'am, Tulika ma'am, and our respected principal ma'am. It's been a fantabulous show today, which I've observed through this on a virtual platform. And firstly, I would like to congratulate to all the students for this pre-graduation ceremony. Congratulations to all the parents and to the students. Next, I would like to thank the whole team of Jaipuria who has made this Christmas very special. The Christmas has always been a very close to my heart, and being a disciple of a Jesus Christ, today, on the birth of a Jesus Christ, I would like to recall one of his commandments, which is very close to my heart, and that is love thy neighbor. Jesus Christ says that one should always love all the trespasses as the way we love ourselves. This COVID-19 has taught us how to follow this commandment more precisely. We all know about Santa too, and we wish to receive gifts from him. In our life, Santa is our parents. Why not we all become Santa and send gifts to all the needy ones who are depressed? Let's make them happy. A small efforts of ours will bring change in their lives. So with this note, I would like to wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Thank you.
Wow, sir. A line to always remember that our parents are our Santas. Thank you, sir. Now, everybody is thanking Principal Ma'am, and now it's her turn for vote of thanks. Please, ma'am.
A very warm good afternoon to all present here today. I am having the most difficult task. Conveying vote of thanks is always very, very difficult. And I have one very favorite quote of Will Shatton, which I would like to quote, that expressing gratitude is like a woman's wardrobe, which is full of clothes. But when she stands in front of it, she fails to find the one she has to wear. So expressing gratitude at this juncture, when I'm so overwhelmed, so emotional, and I am actually very, very impressed have done. So first and foremost, in all functions, we thank, from the hierarchy. But today, I would like to thank the students, the parents, because it's only their faith, their support that today we are standing here and celebrating such a grand thing as pre-graduation and an advanced Christmas celebration and a New Year. When the pandemic is on the rise, millions are being unemployed. It's here we are listening only to facts like stay home, wear the mask, limit the crowds, be sensible, take action. But still, in the Goel campus, the music was on, the lights, the lampposts did shine, and blessings were showered. So I would first and foremost like to thank Kanak sir, the director of Jaipuria Schools, whose statement to the parents was that he is grateful that they have entrusted their kids to our hands. This is the faith that he has spoken about, and I'm thankful to him for his presence here because he has always been a source of inspiration. He's guided us in these pandemic days, and the Lockdown Adda and many more corporate ventures have been a source of motivation, not only to the students and teachers, but also to the parents. Now, when I wish to thank Beena ma'am, the campus calls her Ma. So she has earned it because you see, the campus today, though we follow a color code, it's a Thursday, and you have to wear yellow, like we follow that code. But today, because it's Christmas celebration, most of us are in red and whites. But the Ma knows everything. She is in yellow, which proves the fact Ma sab janti hai and Ma sabse protective hoti hai. So we are blessed to have a mentor like her. And I was seeing the graduation ceremony video when it was on. Ma'am had a huge smile when a child had opted for the dream of being the DM. So that ma'am also quoted that she was very much fascinated by the dreams of the children. She also spoke that we had brought the school closer to the home. That was our purpose. We wanted the children to realize the school has not gone anywhere. It is there with you. The building was shown in every way possible by the teachers' dance in the front arena, by the play, the nativity play in the porch, by the Santas moving in the corridors and in the classroom, so that you could get a virtual visit to your own school, which is eagerly waiting for you. I would like to thank Tulika ma'am. Ma'am has always been the ready help to all of us. Her smile has been so enchanting that students have always been inspired and motivated, even in these gloomy days. Thank you, ma'am, for your presence here. One person who is hosting the show needs a very big reference, that is Jyoti ma'am. When I see her, I am always reminded about Longfellow's words. Flights of great men reached and kept was not attained in sudden flight, but they, while their companions slept, were toiling upwards in the night. And that is what Jyoti ma'am is for us, I think for all the campuses, because we are in a panic moment and she is there as the savior. And she has got the clues to join the strings and help us out at every moment of distress. So during the pandemic, each person's role has been so magnified that we fall short of words when we want to thank them. The team leader, our chairman, sir, Mahesh, sir, for him, words elude us because I don't think we could have a better boss, as the term says. He is a person of great name and fame but the humility in his conduct, in his demeanor, is so vast that we are forced to imbibe those spirits within us. So thank you, sir, for being that unmatched support always. We are blessed to have you leading us. I would thank the constant support of the parents, and I feel that we are standing here today just because our parents have had the trust in us and they have put us on a pedestal where we feel we have to shine and go ahead every moment. This pandemic may have had many gloomy situations, but one thing that it has brought in is equality. On this stage also, if you see, we are all, if this was an offline event, some of us would be there on the stage and only the rest would be there in the audience. But today you see the stage is one. All are on the same platform. So the pandemic has taught us this equality. And the parents have been feeling the fact that the school is the home and the home is the school. So no matter how long this continues, though God's grace will always be there to the world, we have to keep that patience running and we have to fight this challenge together with the full support of the parents. I would also like to thank all the students who performed and the graduates who took it patiently, waited from March till December to be graduated to class 1. So thank you, dear kids. Thank you, class 12 children. They are the ones who joined us in 2016 when sir was saying hum chhata school the. Ab 34 school hain shayad. Beena ma'am, if I'm right, 34 schools. And we were only the 6th school then. And today we stand with pride of, going leaps and bounds. That's only because our students were there, standing, listening to us, following, and what Beena ma'am says, values were imbibed. If I see a class 12 student elsewhere, I don't know, maybe even I am the guardian of the school, so I feel my students are the best. So, but I feel they are very innocent and they are so tuned to what we want them to do. And that I fail to see in 12th class students elsewhere, which maybe because it's a selfish thing from my side, but I definitely am proud of the batch of 55 students in class 12th and the coming batch of class 11th, which is of 88 students. And we are praying that their efforts are really blessed in the board results, that is in class 10th, as well as in class 12th. I would also like to thank the media for its constant support, and we feel that they have been with us on and off in all our endeavors and have brought us to the place where we do need the mention. हर शख्स परेशान है इस शहर में, बस फर्क इतना है कि कुछ लोग मुस्कुराने की हिम्मत रखते हैं और वो कुछ लोग हमारे गोयल कैंपस में जरूर हैं, क्योंकि हमारे लीडर में वो ताकत है, वो शक्ति है कि वो हमें प्रोत्साहित रखते हैं. हमारे महेश सर की ये पर्टिकुलर वैल्यू हमें बहुत आगे तक ले जाने की एक प्रयास देती है. आई वुड एंड, एज हम अवध में हैं और अवध की शान है शायरी से, तो आई वुड एंड विथ 4 लाइन्स. दौरे गर्दिश है हिम्मत से चलिए, दौरे गर्दिश है हिम्मत से चलिए, मुस्कुराहट ही सबब ए हासिल है, मुस्कुराहट ही सबब ए हासिल है. गुजर जाएगा वक्त भी ये एक रोज, गुजर जाएगा वक्त भी ये एक रोज, बस जी ले तो जहां भी हासिल है, बस जी ले तो जहां भी हासिल है. धन्यवाद.
Thank you, ma'am. And every word, I think everybody would remember forever. Whatever you have said about MD sir or Beena ma'am or the parents, everything you really spoke from bottom of your heart. That was true enough. Thank you, ma'am. And before we end the celebration, here a cute child, Abir, is with us, who is going to cut the cake for Christmas celebration.
Ma'am, Abir is supposedly the brand ambassador of the school. He's the grandson of our chairman, sir. He's Abir Bansal. And we have him here today. And I would like to thank his presence also, because he's traveled from Mumbai and he makes it a point to be there in all our functions, be it offline, be it online. Online he could have done from there, but he's here today to cut the cake, the Christmas cake. So I would like to thank him for that. And I would also like to thank the whole team of the Goel campus, the teachers, the staff, the sub-staff, who have been totally involved in this function as though we were putting up an offline show. Thank you once again, and let's proceed for the cake cutting.
Even I guess by 3 minutes.
Laughing all the way, bells on bobtails ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to laugh and sing a sleighing song tonight.
Woo!
Jingle bells,
Jingle bells, jingle all the way.
oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse